Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much guys for joining me again for another session. And if this is your first time visiting, hi, welcome. My name is Keturah, and on this channel you can expect to find content on home refresh videos, interior styling tips and ideas, and a little bit of lifestyle. But the main goal on this channel guys is to show you that you can create luxurious spaces of beauty, comfort and functionality no matter the size of your space and no matter where you live. So guys, if this is the kind of thing that interests you, I ask you to please watch the video, and if you like what you see, consider subscribing to the channel and becoming part of the family. Okay guys, so today I am in the living room / entryway, and I'm just going to do just a little bit of makeover here in the small entryway. So if this is something that you would like to see, please continue watching and let's see how the space turns out together. Okay? See you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so the first thing that I want to do in the entryway is to create some kind of mirrored sconce on the wall. So the idea is to take the two mirrors that I usually keep in the bedroom. I'm going to use those mirrors, and the goal is to get those sconces onto the mirror. So I have no idea how it's going to turn out, so we're going to create it together. So let's go. Alright guys, so these are the two mirrored sconces, something very simple, temporary, DIY. So yeah, so I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I really love it. Yeah, and I think I'm gonna keep it there for some time. Alright, so let me know, comments, and let me know what you guys think about this. And let's continue with the rest of the entryway. Alright guys, so we have come to the end of another video. So I did do a little bit of refresh in the living area, and you guys will see it all in the final reveal. So guys, you know how we do it already. Now it's your turn to participate. So like, comment, and subscribe if you have not yet already done so. And here is the final reveal, guys. Enjoy. do hope that you enjoyed watching the video, and if you stayed with me up to this part, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. And to officially close out today's video, I'm going to read from Romans chapter 5 from verse 3, and I'm reading from the Passion Translation, and it reads, "But that's not all. Even in times of trouble, we have a joyful confidence, knowing that our pressures will develop in us patient endurance, and the patient endurance will refine our character, and the proven character leads us back to hope." Alright guys, so I hope this resonates with you on some level, and that remember to continue to have that joyful confidence and hope in our Messiah. So thank you once again guys. Take care of yourselves as always, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.